Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with running boards down below, as well as the Sport Appearance package, giving you unique accents, rims, and black interior cloth. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with the black interior cloth, as I mentioned, that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. Looking inside, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, phone and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, where you can save any of those subcategories for ease of access. And then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, your lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck. And above that, you have your camera view again with your forward-facing camera, hazards, and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then on the opposite end you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet and 120-volt power outlet, and this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby area with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can be collapse out of the way for more open space here too. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, a ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.